Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across a message or error with your Bluetooth device or computer cannot process this file type. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best match should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by in the top right, the category view, and then select Network and Internet. Select where it says Network and Sharing Center. On the left side, select Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Now you want to toggle File and Printer Sharing to the On position, and then expand the All Network section. And where it says File Sharing Connections, click on the drop-down. You can select 40 or 56-bit encryption, and then just go ahead and close out of here. And you may need to restart your computer, but hopefully at that point your issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.